Hi there, this is Alice from Golden News. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how our AI-powered job management system can revolutionize your workflow. This web-based application lets you create, assign, and manage jobs seamlessly across all devices, desktop, mobile phones, and tablets. It's designed to benefit every department in your hotel, from security to housekeeping to engineering. Let's dive in. First, let's create a job. It's super simple. Every job requires two main pieces of information: where and what. For instance, if a guest requests a spoon to be delivered to room 1002, you set the location as room 1002 and the job type as spoon. You can also add details like the assigned person, priority, remarks, or attach files. You can also create specific job alerts to notify other parties when the job is updated. For example, front desk may want to get notified when a room is cleaned, or housekeeping may want to know when an engineer finished a task in a room. Need to create multiple jobs? No problem. Our spreadsheet-like interface, designed for desktop users such as telephone operators, allows you to efficiently create multiple jobs with ease. Similar to using Excel, you can drag the corner of a cell to copy its value and employ other commands like copy and paste. Once a job is created, a notification is automatically sent to the assigned person's mobile device. For more urgent tasks, an automated phone call is generated to ensure immediate attention.
你有一個新工作，天花燈燒在01131 F Balcony Pantry Checkpoint。詳情請查看應用程式。
The assigned user can view their job on their mobile phone or desktop. They can see all the job details, including the type, remarks, and who assigned the job. Once completed, they can update the job status as needed. To streamline communication, room attendants can create jobs directly with their phone. For example, if a guest room needs repairs, the attendant can create a job for the engineer directly, without the need for the information to pass through multiple people, like their supervisor and telephone operator. This ensures the job details go straight from the source to the person who will be doing the job. Sometimes an engineering job can't be completed immediately, for instance, if materials are out of stock or a third-party vendor is needed. In such cases, users can pause the job and provide a reason for the delay. Sometimes a user might be unavailable to complete a job right away. In such cases, the job can be transferred to another person, who will then be notified of the transfer. If a user doesn't accept, start, or complete a job on time, an alert is sent to an assigned person to ensure no job is left unchecked, maintaining high service quality. To recap, our AI-powered job management system is designed to streamline and optimize your workflow. Our system offers unique features like phone call notifications, which continuously ring until manually dismissed, ensuring the person is notified for each job. Additionally, the ability to upload images provides a clearer description of a job or issue, as a picture is worth 1,000 words. If you're ready to streamline your job management, contact us today. You can reach us via email, phone, or WhatsApp. All the details are in the description below. Don't miss out. Get started now.